course, while I made the video, right when I started it, just a couple minutes in, the car died. It's so dead that not even the steering works. And I even went to all the effort of changing my lens and getting it out of the bag, which has been sitting in my room for a while because I always just use the one lens. But, oh well, I'll try to make this video longer, go charge it up, and go again. So, yep, see you then. Alright guys, what's up? Back in my house, getting ready to charge the battery, starting it right now, and back to the working table, because every single time that I drive this particular car, part of the soldering comes undone, and as you may have noticed, something's been moved around. And that is because there used to be a hole in our ceiling right there, so the shelf had to be moved to make access, and now I can't really get in here. So it's very complicated, because I have to get through here without stepping on any RC cars. Oh, okay. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, here we go. And here we are at my table. Here's the car, and here's what's always coming undone. You can see it right here. That's came undone again, which means I have to take off all the solder, which is very challenging. And there are also random boxes that are here, and I don't know what they're for or how they got here. So yeah, that's fun. There's also a random dead bug. Alright, let's see. Gotta go underneath our table. Actually, never mind, it's just my camera, my fancier camera that makes a big deal of lighting conditions and stuff, so I don't actually need it. But first, I have to turn the car around, like so. And then we use this thing right here to connect things. So let me connect them, and then I'll be back. Just thought I'd warn you that nothing particularly interesting or important happens after this. But if you want to watch me fumble my way through this, then go ahead. Alright, so here we are, back with everything set up. And basically what I have to do is take this stuff right here. It's like copper stuff. Let's see, what is it? I guess it's called wick. I don't know, it removes solder. So basically what I have to do is, let's see. Okay, well, I've ran into a small situation because there's only one power strip, and the soldering iron doesn't quite reach it. I'm gonna go try real quick, see what I can do, and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back, and soldering iron's all heated up, sponge is wetted, and now we begin to remove all of the solder for the second time, which is fun. Should probably get a clip to hold this right here. Not sure if you can see what I'm doing, but geez, this stuff is hard. Okay. You can see it's not super focused. I apologize for that. Hopefully that's a little bit better. I can't really tell. But anyways, back to it. Solder's not really coming off too well, which isn't great, but I'm doing my best with it. Boy, this is a mess. Need to figure out how to make everything stay. I wonder if I heat up some of the solder that's already there, if that will do anything. Let's see, it's dropping the temperature. Getting back up again. See if this makes a difference. Because it's on there pretty good. Okay. Making some progress with that strategy. Yep, that worked. Maybe. Now it's stuck. That's great. Shoot. Yeah, this is tricky stuff here. I don't really know what to do about it. What there is to do, really. I'm probably blocking everything with my hand. Yep, I'm blocking everything with my hand. It's my bad. Let me get that fixed. Okay, back with a different camera angle. And time to go at it again with pliers. I managed to actually solder the solder remover to my connector, which is pretty cool. I'm kidding. It's not good. It's also smoking like crazy. Wow. But hey, I got it off. Ta-da! It's also very silver now, as you can see. Yeah, I don't really know what to do about this. I mean, what's happening right now isn't supposed to be happening. I guess when it smokes, that's good. And it's smoking a lot, so I guess that's good. The thing is that there's so much solder that I've already put on, since this has already happened multiple other times. So the first time, of course, I tried to make it stay well, so I put a lot on. Second time I did it because it fell off, so again, lots of solder on. And now, with all that solder on, very challenging to get back, and I realized the light was moved. That's my bad. Okay, it's smoking a lot, so that's good, I think, hopefully. Hopefully you can still see. Oh man, this is tricky. I don't really know what to do about this. Okay, so I got all of this out there, and I'm going to assume that once you've used all of this stuff, you can just cut it off like I'm about to do, hopefully. Oh, it's not helping. There we go. Now, I've got this fresh remover, and ooh, the connector's pretty hot, as it should be. The soldering iron's at 721 degrees right now, and let's try this again. Make it heat back up again. Soldering iron's very hot right now. And let's try and get some more off. Smoking, I believe that's good. Might not be good. I think it's good. This is tricky. Alright, come on. Get off. Get off. I'm stumped. Oh no. I soldered the... Yeah. Okay. To heat it up again. There we go. Got it off. And put it back in solder for a second. Yeah, at this point, I'm not really sure what to do. I definitely don't understand, like, why it comes off every time. So I think I'm just gonna leave it for right now. Yeah, I'm sorry that the video couldn't be longer. and there's not more footage. But yeah, at this point I'll have to figure out some other kind of solution to make sure that it doesn't keep on coming off like it does. Maybe I have to like solder some, or like heat up some plastic and make it stick to it, and maybe that will help. But that's pretty permanent, and if it comes undone, I'm kind of screwed. So yeah, I will figure out a solution and let you guys know when I figure out what I'm going to do, and then I'll show you my solution, and I'll be able to drive it again, so that'll be good. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you really enjoyed it, please hit the share button and notification bell. Thank you. See you in the next video.